This is a guide for beginners to fiber laser cutting. Step 1, let us import our cutting file today. We are making a butterfly from a 2mm stainless steel sheet. Step 2, we set the cutting parameters based on our material. For this 2mm stainless steel, we will select the preset program for optimal speed and power. Step 3, calibration. This is a critical step. We will perform a floating head calibration. This ensures the cutting head maintains the perfect distance from the material for a clean and precise cut. Press confirm to start. Step 4, we will frame the border. This allows us to visually confirm the cutting path is perfectly positioned on our metal sheet before we start. Step 5, we open the laser shutter. Now we press start.